Oh, okay. Yeah, no, they said they're gonna
Shannon
do
McAvoy
Right.
chopping off the luscious locks. Forever.
Sorry, just do a burst of tea.
So we'll see. There we go.
Hi, Brittany.
Hi, Gracie. Someone else is online. Just that. Yeah. It's like consuming my life. That
Yes, of course it is.
But we'll be done pretty soon. So.
Yay. Are you guys going on honeymoon right away? Or you waiting?
Shannon's freaking out.
We're leaving Mondays at that week. So yeah, we're going Norway. We're going for 7 days. So I can't wait for that.
When I cut all mine off, I cried.
Is that what this is? 4 years?
Actually, that's what I was going to
About,
ask you.
yeah.
So
Okay.
From my shoulder.
I
All the way down?
was
Da, 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 da.
planning on canceling Cherie's because she's charging me like a ridiculous amount of money to do my. She's charging me like $100 to do my hair.
That's normal.
Is it normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, Shannon.
It's all gone.
Okay. So I was
I'm on back now.
Yeah.
Wait, stop, stop.
She said, "Oh yeah, I'll charge you at a discount."
Psych.
So that's your discount price.
Look
On
at that
Disney
cute
Plus.
little
So I
bob.
was just gonna say, like,
Yes, Shannon.
I'm
Okay.
sorry. I don't know.
Hang it on your wall like I did.
Some people just
Good
don't
job,
do it.
Shannon.
Okay.
And because I don't do anything, I can do your hair down, but I don't.
So you don't do anything. Okay.
No, not at all. I
Oh my God,
definitely
it's gone.
prefer it.
So it's
And like
adorable
in your,
though. Like,
Yeah, I like
But
it.
as far as any like half hour I don't do it at all.
Nice job, Shannon.
Cartoon.
This side.
Is
You
it
have it
right?
right. Yeah.